Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Let me ask a question. Why there are contradictions between science and Islam? Here are a few things to remember before discussing this subject. The first point is there is no contradiction between science and Islam. However, science doesn't mean theoretical science, but such a science that has been proved by all evidence in aspect, not by just assumption or hypothesis. Point 2. Science refers to an observation used to continuous experiment in researches which can be either true or false. Therefore, sometimes it may contradict with Islam. Another point, Islam is the name of undeniable fact revealed by Allah Azza wa Jal. To date, not a single thing has been proved incorrect by science, providing that it's not beyond the scope of scientific research and scientific area. Now the question is, should we believe in science or Islam in case of contradiction? The answer is that there is no contradiction between Islam and science. Whether it's a contradiction, Islam should be believed. There is a strong academic evidence for that reason. Imagine only 6 years ago, science had a unanimous belief that the universe is ancient, there is no universe, has no starting point. Then all of a sudden the Big Bang theory came into being, and after various tests and process, the theory is totally rejected. You can see the previous theory completely conflicted and contradicted with Islam, because we believe that Allah Almighty is the creator of everything, that is the starting point of this universe. The same is true of evolutionary theory. According to this theory, human being has gone through various evolutionary phases and stages and finally become this perfect human creature. However, according to Islam, humankind is the offspring of Adam and Hawa alayhi salam. But the theory of evolutionary is an assumption. Today, science has not been able to provide a single concrete and solid proof of this. A famous atheist scientist, Victor Stringer, said that Darwinism theory of evolution or natural science will end very soon because science could not present any concrete or solid evidence about it. Dennis, a Nobel Award holder biologist at Oxford University, writes very explicitly on Darwinism, claimed that the genetic model of new Darwinism has failed. Biologist Kevin Leland and his colleague have confirmed in their research publishing in the world's most authenticated and authoritative scientific journal, Nature, that the theory of natural selection is wrong. He raised the question, does the evolutionary theory need to be reconsidered? And then he himself replied, of course, we urgently need this reconsider the theory. Therefore, the meaning of contradiction is not that Islam is wrong or incorrect.